A bill that passed unanimously in the Georgia House this week could soon give moms in crisis a new anonymous option to safely surrender their newborns. House Bill 350 would authorize baby boxes at fire stations, police stations, and other facilities across the state. Carmen Brown explains.
Right now in Georgia, mothers can surrender newborns up to 30 days old at medical facilities, fire stations, and police stations without facing prosecution as long as they hand the baby to staff. But a new proposal in the General Assembly would add a new option.
It just gives another option that will protect a baby's life, and it is about protecting baby's life.
House Bill 350 would allow safe haven locations such as fire stations to install baby boxes. Those are enclosed, locked, and monitored receptacles where mothers could anonymously place their newborns. When a baby is placed inside, an alarm system then alerts staff immediately and can even dispatch the nearest ambulance if no one's on site.
For us to be able to make sure that the newborn gets the treatment that they need and deserve, our staff is highly trained and taking care of those situations.
Here in Macon-Bibb County, fire crews already serve as a safe haven. While they haven't had a surrender case yet, Deputy Chief Ron Smith says they're ready if that ever happens.
We're always quick. We're an ISO Class 1 fire department, so regardless whether they have the boxes or we don't, either way we're going to make sure we render the appropriate care for the newborn.
Representative Del Washburn co-sponsored the bill after hearing about the idea from advocates. While he couldn't point to one specific case that inspired the bill, he says the need for it is undeniable. In April 2025, a Macon mother was charged after leaving her newborn in a trash bag.
A great example of a baby whose life was in danger and who would have been protected by this system.
Washburn says he's confident it will pass the Senate and make it to the governor's desk. In Macon, Carmen Brown, 13 WMAZ News.
Under Georgia's safe haven law, parents can surrender a newborn up to 30 days old at hospitals, fire stations, and police departments without being prosecuted for abandonment.